in a minute. Say it better. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to Relentless Shine. Today, we've got my brother's brand new Scat Pack. He's been here since 12 a.m. putting paint protection film on it because that's how serious we take it. We want 0 rock chips on our brand new vehicles. We're doing a full car wrap. We're gonna try to catch some of that, but we've already got the full front, his rocker panels, bumper and hatch already done, so he's safe to drive. This stuff is gonna help for obviously all rock chips, heavy scratches. You can run this through an automatic car washer if you wanted to, and then it helps with door dings and things like that, so it's the ultimate form of protection. After that, we're gonna get some shots of throwing some film on the Tesla over there, the Model 3. It's getting a full front. It's typically what we're doing. We're also doing coating, interior, so on and so forth. So it's gonna be a busy day for us. All right, guys, we're taking a quick break on the paint protection film. We've got everything on it we need just to get it driving safe. Mike here, he's throwing our ceramic i3 triple layered ceramic tints on every single window, including the windshield, and it's perfectly legal for those that don't know that. It's a 70% film, a slight blue hue, but it doesn't impair your vision at all. Lifetime warranted, color stable, doesn't bubble, doesn't turn purple, and it blocks 93% of the IR rays, which is actually the heat that you feel. We're not worried about UV, everything blocks UV. The IR rays is what you need, and this blocks virtually all of them. So when you're in the car, once it's warmed up, you turn the AC to 1 or 2 max, and you're chilling for the rest of the drive. Alrighty, guys, we're gonna knock out the tint here. Jonah's knocking out the full front on the Tesla. Then we've got some other trinkets and knickknacks we're gonna try to do to this thing before we get it on the street. But other than that, that's gonna conclude this video. Again, guys, if you like the content, subscribe, give us a like, hit the notification bell. We'll see you guys in the next video.